Okay, quick video here. It's Wednesday, November 4th already, and I wanted to show you sometimes what I do. If you don't have a good trade in the 30-year bond, you always need to be watching the 10-year note. In TOS, it's ZN. I've got my screen split here. On the right is the 10-year note, and on the left is the 30-year bond. But look at this up here, this little area right here. These great big bars. This was when the Queen, Janet Yellen, was talking, which we need less of in my opinion. But she was talking, and we were just having these huge 10-tick bars up and down. Well, the 10-year had some of that volatility, but look, we have a nice little ADX. We get a signal down, and our ADX goes positive above our zero line, and it takes off. You could have got in a real easy entry here. Now, we basically had the same trade on the 30-year, but look how much harder it is to get in. Now, this is just an example, but what I'm trying to tell you is always watch both of these. They typically move in unison or in the same directions and react to the news, the same way. But sometimes you can be watching both of them and get an easier entry in one over the other, and that's what this is showing us today. This was an easy entry in my opinion, and then it just drops off, the trend takes off, versus we already had our signal bar over here on the right, and then a nice little pullback, perfect entry, boom. Where here we have our signals, but look at these bars. These big long bars are tough. Basically the same type of move, but much easier to get in on the 10-year note versus the 30-year bond. Now, this is just one example. It doesn't always happen this way. It might be exact opposite next time, who knows? Or they might be exactly the same. My point is, watch both of these instruments, 30-year bond, 10-year note, and you might be able to get into the move that you want, but a little easier on one or the other. I don't suggest taking both of them, because it's hard enough to watch one, much less two, and manage two of these future trades on at once. I do it every once in a while if I have a big conviction, but it's tougher. Anyway, since this was fresh on my mind and the charts are right here, I just went ahead and did this video real quick. But watch both of them. You might be surprised at what you see and how you can get in. Thanks a lot.